What's good with everybody? In this video, I'll be giving you a full tour, a full breakdown, full walkthrough of how to join the community, how to trade, how to navigate it, how to do everything so you won't be lost. So please pay attention. Right here is my Whop link, which is inside my bio, which is in my link descriptions, and in everywhere. It's posted everywhere. The free Whop to the community is posted everywhere. All right, let's get started. This right here is our announcement tab. Every time we go trade, every time we trade live anything, trade, we live in 10 minutes. Also, call, you need to come by and pass and you lost, come to the call. Call fix, now we live. You know what I'm saying? Anything, we finna go live now, bad secured. You know what I'm saying? Anything we do, I'm gonna post in the announcements in the Discord, in the Whop. Right here, this is the Get Help tab. I broke it down 100% smooth, calm, and collect. I took a picture of what it looked right now, right here the same. And I broke it down, each category by the color. You know what I'm saying? Smooth, calm, and collect. Now I broke it down even more if it was a little complicated for you. You know what I'm saying? I broke it down detail for detail a little more. All right, this is the storefront. This is our storefront. Let's talk about the prices. All right, so this is our top tier free packet right here. This is what you'll click to get in the Discord. Also, if you look over here to the side, it'll unlock this chat right here, and it'll get you right into the Discord. All right, this is our 125 live packet. 125 live packet. I go live, I make you some money. This, I ain't gonna lie, this is what I did when I first opened my shit though. I came in, I hit TP 6-7 times. I'm talking about, I'm sitting on the call, we hit TP, boom. We chilling, we sitting back talking about anything in the world. We hit TP again, boom. We sit back, all right, boom. We hit TP again, boom. We sit back, TP again, boom. So it got to the point where it's like, and I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I'm on a journey with my trading shit. I'm on a journey. You see what I'm saying? I'm on a journey to actually try to hit 1 million with this shit. So when I stop with my journey and pour into everybody else's journey, and you show me no type of appreciation, that makes me feel like, shit, I ain't even gonna hold you. So it's like, y'all gotta step this shit up when it comes to like posting your results. Because if I'm on the call trading and you don't post your results, how I know if I'm making you some money? It's the same 5-6 people every day posting results. How I know if I'm making you some money? So come in with some type of, you know what I'm saying, support, talk, communication, or something. You know what I'm saying? Also 5-6 TPs in the morning, base packet, I had to stop doing it. You know what I'm saying? I had to 100% stop doing it. So I would not give 6, 7, 8 TPs in the 125 packet no more. So that'll be the high value packet only, which is the mentorship. The mentorship, you get the full breakdown, you get a full walkthrough, you get a video. We hold your hand. Then you trade with all mentors. You trade with all mentors in this packet right here. In this packet right here, you only get to trade with me. You see what I'm saying? 125, you only trade when I go live. That's the basic packet. And I go live, I give you 1 TP. We make that bread. We out of there. When you trade with the mentorship, I ain't gonna hold you. Coach teach you, she break down the shit. Shells, she teach you, she break down the shit. Coach on the call, probably like 2-3 days out the week. Shells on that motherfucker all day, every day. If the market are on, she on. You know what I'm saying? Cage on there every evening doing London section, Asian in London section, and J Vibes only pass your combat. That's it. He'll log into your shit, make you 1,500 real quick, and send you by your way. That for the one that only want their combine pack. So let's talk about this welcome tab. Make sure you do not, I repeat, do not open DMs for nobody, because I'm not finna hit you up first and say, hey, we've been slamming on the trades. We've been doing X, Y, and Z. It's a scam. I repeat, it's a scam. We do not have a Telegram. We do not have none of that stuff that these folks sending y'all, telling y'all to join. None of that. It's not me. Hey, we got the best signals. I'm gonna let you in my free group. They lying. Your ass will get scammed. Do not open it. So this is my only contact number right here. Business hours only. 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening time. Text only. Do not call my phone, dog. You will not get an answer. And if you call twice, I'm blocking you. Alright, right here is the channel where it say get access now. But my Wi-Fi been crazy. Alright, this is the community access tab right here. Make sure you read it, and it breaks everything down on how to get into the community. You log into your Whop. If you got Whop, make sure your Whop username and email is the same as your Discord, or you will be lost. And if you pay with Apple Pay and you come back and you say, hey Top, I ain't got access, it's because you logged into Whop with your iCloud now. So that payment is on your iCloud instead of the where it was where you had to pay in first, or where you had got access with it first, which is probably Gmail. Alright, but you hit this link right here to get access. Alright, here's our schedules on when we on call. J-Vibes on around this time. He probably just got off in 21 minutes ago. 2 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock. I'm on at 6 o'clock in the morning to 8:30. Probably ain't gonna trade this morning because as you can see, I'm tired as shit in this video. Alright, we got Coach on at 8:30 to 9:30. Shell's on every fucking day, all motherfucking day. If the market up, she up. You know what I'm saying? Cage 6:30 in the evening to 4 a.m. Alright. Hit access right here for just the basic packet. But if you want a mentor, reach out to them within the community. So this is the Discord view. I don't know what's going on, bro. My Wi-Fi been crazy. I ain't gonna hold you. All right, let's go to real Discord view. All right, this is the Discord view right here, and it's a breakdown of the whole thing. But I give y'all a real Discord view. So we're gonna come here with a real Discord view right here. So what you get right here is you get the same get access. I break it down here. I broke it down in the start here tab. As you can see, this is our quick read tab. So we come here, I barely even like posting the quick reads, but I'm going to 100% start because if I'm busy, I'm tired, I'm sleepy, I got something to do, and I can't go live when I caught a read, boom. We'll come here, live entries alert, boom. I give you the entry point, TP1 and 2. I gave you the entry point, you see it then pull back from nowhere here, TP1, TP2. Simple as that. Then the next channel, this is where all our reviews and stuff at. Right here is all our profit tabs. When it was yesterday, he made 400. She up 700, 560, 300. That's a 300. Yeah, yesterday, I ain't gonna lie, yesterday was kind of ass, but they squared some out of their ass and still made some money on that call out that I did on the call yesterday morning. Right here is the day before that, 600, 200, 1500, 1100, 200, 1400. So yeah, we've been making some money, 5,000, 250, 3,000, and then they be passing their combine. All right, so boom, you pass your combine. I want you to 100% post it in this channel right here. But my Wi-Fi is crazy. The fact that I'm sleeping in the motherfucker right now, shit pissing me off. We got 2 people that just passed their combine too, I'm thinking. So I gotta approve that shit. Go on and approve it right here while I'm here before I forget. Y'all know I forget in a minute. Alright, so boom. Shout out to K-Dot, Marco, Wizard, K-Dot again, YTC, J Wright, A-Mac, Wizard again. I don't know who that is. They look like, now that's Coach. K-Dot again, Marco, Steven, YTC again, A-Mac again. Shell got 3 of them. I don't know who this is. That's Keelan. Shout out to Keelan. So shout out to everybody that's past combines and posted their combines in here, it's a blessing, dog. It showed me that we actually doing what we supposed to do in the community. You know what I'm saying? That right there show me that we doing what we supposed to do in the community when you pass your damn combines like that. All right, so this is the free community. Once you try to get into the free community, just hit this. It's gonna ask you to claim your roles. So you just hit that and claim your role. I don't know what's going on with my Wi-Fi, fool. All right, so boom, you click that, you claim your roles, you get right into the Discord. All right, so let's go back to the Discord. All right, so boom, this is our certified funded channel, which people passed combines yesterday and the day before that. This is our get paid marketing tab, which I haven't filled out yet, but I'll fill it out soon. But let me do a breakdown on it. You promote, you get paid. You market, you get paid. If you bring in your cousin, little run, little Sheeta son right from around the corner, and all of them pay $125, you get 50% of $125 every month. If they come back the next month, you get 50% again. So you get paid for everybody to come in. That's one way that you can get paid. Or you can say, hey, I only want to get paid one time. You see what I'm saying? As they come in, I want to get paid that one time, boom, boom, boom. The percentage is 75%. If you bring in 3 that day, you bring in 3, you get 75% of all 3. So it's plenty of ways that I can come up with some marketing deals for you. You know what I'm saying? You say, hey, I'm broke, I'm fucked up, I'm stressed out here. I need some bread. Let's work something out. Oh my, you know what I'm saying? All right, so this is the trading recaps. I'm gonna post all my YouTube videos right here that we go live on. So that call right there was successful. You know what I'm saying? I hit 4K in one day with the call, and they was happy. You know what I'm saying? Right here is the call right here where I trade live. This is the base call. So if I'm feeling great, I might start a free call with everybody. Then this is the trading base call for the 125. This is the one-on-one calls where I come in somebody in the negative. They say, Top, I need to get out of the negatives. I need a one-on-one. If you're a part of mentorship, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna fuck with you. We're gonna get you out of the negative real quick, and we're gonna continue to have a great day. All right. This is our chat. Everybody should have access to the chat. Somebody else that passed them a combine in the morning. Somebody was in the 5. Some negative, almost out of the negative with Michelle. Thank you so much. So we take our time to help people get out of the negative every single day. You know what I'm saying? All right, that's just the chat. All right, this is the tab where people post their photos of themselves. This is our call out tab. You can feel free to come in here and, you know, drop a TP if you want to. This is the questions. Any questions you may have for a mentor or me, ask it right here. We'll come right in there and we'll answer it for you. This is our mentee chat only. All mentees is in this chat. Boom, they do call outs and reads and stuff in there. They talk all day. This is our quick read chat for the if mentees want to do something right there. This is our post your results. Keelan hit 647 on his express, which is damn good. I fuck with it. And coaches of mentee right here, her tab right here, J-Rise tab, Shell's tab, and Cage tab. So all mentees go live right here in these channels. And that's it, man. Straight to it, straight to the point. Our main focus is making sure that you pass your combine, you get a express, run a bag on your express, $300 a day, keep the job away. That's $1,500. You copy trading 3 accounts, you up a bag. You see what I'm saying? It's not hard. It's gonna be smooth, calm, and collect. Only thing you gotta do is stay disciplined, and you gonna run a bag inside Top Tier Best Trade. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you drop down in the comments and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what type of videos y'all want me to make. Let's run this motherfucking channel up through the flow. And I'm gonna see you on the next video.
They like how he turned his life up so fast, fuck it, here go the answer. I got a team, we got a plan, we held that shit down, flip the script. Same folks ain't fuck with us back then, be showing love just cause we lit. If you ain't fuck with us back then, then fuck you, pussy suck my dick. I'm a rapper, I smoke rapper weed, shit 500 a zip. We the ones who bought down in that city with all that talking to us.